So Realme GT Neo 6. In this video we're going to talk about this mobile. First of all, it comes with a 6.7 inches of OLED display, and it is going to be a 144Hz refresh rate HDR10 plus supported display, which was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. When we talk about the processor, this might be the first mobile which is coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, which is a 5G octa-core processor. Now, when I say 5G, we need to know about the 5G bands that this mobile supports. Yeah, this mobile supports up to 9 5G bands. This mobile will be available in different variants. Those are 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, and 12GB RAM, 256, 12GB RAM, 512GB, and 16GB of RAM and 512GB internal storage variants. Now, these are UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types as well as the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. So combining all these three, we can expect great performance from this mobile. When we talk about the cameras, yeah, this mobile comes with a dual cameras at the back side. That means 2 cameras at the rear side, 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. As well as this mobile comes with a great 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. To power up this mobile, we need a bigger battery, Yeah, this mobile packs a 5500 milliamp of huge battery which supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire. Unfortunately, there is no wireless charging for this mobile, but this will support reverse charge through wire up to 5 watts. And this mobile also comes with features like Wi-Fi 6E dual band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.4, which are the latest features. And this mobile runs on Android version 14 out of the box with Realme UI 5.0. And this mobile also comes with the IP68 water and dust resistance support. So you can use this mobile in water and rain also. And when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile will be available in 3 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below with the links of my other videos in the channel. And this mobile is a complete glass and metal build. That means front back glass and frame is a metal frame. Inside this mobile's box, you will get a mobile itself and a charger and a cable and also TPU case and SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides. So these are the things that you will get in the box of this mobile. So we need to know about the price of this mobile, right? Yes. Okay, this mobile will be priced at, according to the news until now, this might comes with the price tag of 34,919, almost 35,000 rupees. So this mobile will release soonly in India this month, by the end of second week of this month. So wait until the mobile releases and buy the mobile and use it. So if you're watching the video until now, subscribing to the channel will be amazing, and hitting the like button will also gives me some support to keep making this kind of videos. So hit the like button and also the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.